Pallavi Singh. She is the actress in the movie Cash from Cash, right? And यहाँ पे everybody is there. All these star cast is there, including Rajpal Yadav ji. Now he's I would say veteran. Although he looks much younger. So welcome Pallavi. So you tell about your career. When did you start? How did you get into movies?
Well, thank you for having me here. Uh, becoming an actor was an inspiration for me when I was a child. And when I turned 16, I did my first competition called Miss Teen India. I was Miss Teen India in 2016. And then I started professionally modeling and training in acting. I did my first film last year, which is titled Me and You. It's on Amazon Prime International. And this is my second film that I'm doing. It's
How
been a
do you
wonderful
feel
journey.
being part of this movie? Because I was told like there's a lot of suspense, mystery, and you people are the kids who are creating
Right.
hangama.
Right,
So how
right.
is it? What did you feel about the story?
So
Like,
when I heard the story, I really loved the script. It revolves around Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy of living life and shows the contrast how we use the traditional values that Mahatma Gandhi has taught us in this contemporary modern life, where all of us are actually running behind cash and forgetting the actual meaning of life, which is beyond all of this.
be honest, okay. And coming back to your modeling days, so where did you, for what brands you've done modeling?
So I started modeling. Well, my first assignment was actually when I was 2 years old. So I did an
As a
assignment
toddler.
for BSNL to be precise. And then I started modeling when I was 16. I did my first advertisement for FBB, Big Bazaar at that time. Then I modeled for a lot of brands. I did TV commercials for Vega, Dabur, Cars 24, California Almonds, to name a few.
Very good. I think this is. I'm lucky that we're meeting a girl, Pallavi, who's a model at age of 2. And BSNL, I just tell you, BSNL, we were with the minister, so they have revived their 4G and 5G, stack. So BSNL has turned 25,
Right.
and they're launching that, and you're part of that history. So
So
they
true.
can again. I'll recommend your name there.
Oh, that would be
So
wonderful.
they can come again. Another thing we want to know, any message for the youth of India, भारत के युवाओं के लिए, युवतियों के लिए, anybody, kids are today, as you said, कुछ भी people are not in control. When I was talking to some other stars, they say कि cash हाथ में है, but values के have gone for a toss. तो आपका क्या social message है? Because people are into drugs, people are into drinking alcohol, and even I would say, veg, non-veg. People say, why? I say, no, veg is the way of life. So what is your message for the youth?
I feel we should always stick to our values, our ethics, which we are taught at home and which we have been taught in our country, because our country has been the soil of spirituality and very old traditions. If we continue to read about them, to practice them in our lives, I think we will be far away from any distractions that cause temporary happiness, but they are long term poison, like drugs or alcohol. So
That's
I feel our life should be a combination of some disciplines as well as freedom, because I truly feel that discipline gives you freedom in many ways.
And when people are going to watch this video, uh, I have interviewed a lot of people, dietitians. आपसे लोगों का मेरे से सवाल होगा कि आपने उनसे ये नहीं पूछा कि what is their regime, diet regime क्या है, उनका fitness regime क्या है. Would you like to spell out? How do you start your day?
So, my day truly has, in terms of diet, it has a lot of fluids, water, of course, and then
Nariyal
juices,
pani?
nariyal pani,
Okay.
yes, amla juice, and all the juices that have antioxidants. That is what it starts with, and then having high rich protein diet is important. But also, not eating too much is important, because then it makes you lethargic. I feel you should have the amount that gives you constant energy throughout the day. So, having lots of fruits and having lightly cooked meals, having lots of water is what I would suggest to
Wonderful.
everyone.
So I feel at the end of it, just wanted to add that Pallavi seems to be a beauty with brains, and मेरे को इनका ज़्यादा वो if I'm looking at her, so ज़्यादा makeup भी नहीं दिख रहा. So she's a natural, you know. You've got the natural flair. And what are the future projects? Lastly,
So my current project that I'm looking forward to shoot for is Kashmakash.
yes.
And I'm also a national shooter, so I look
Wow.
forward to the upcoming tournaments as well.
So who's your guru in the shooting? What medal? Silver?
My
The
guru,
gold?
my guru in terms of sports would be someone who is not very old, Mr. Neeraj Chopra.
Wow, lovely. You met him?
Yes.
Wonderful. Even I had met him once when they were going, and then the PM mementos का ना वो javelin उन्होंने दिया.
Right.
So you practice where? When you practice?
So I do my shooting training at Dr. Karni Singh Shooting Range in Delhi.
There is a championship coming up, the junior. Are you
Right,
part
right.
of that?
So I'm a senior
You're the
athlete
senior,
now.
okay.
Yes.
Yeah, we've registered our media passes for that.
Wonderful.
The Sportscom is going to invite us.
I see.
So wish you all the best for your shooting career.
Thank you so much.
And maybe we see you in the likes of जो अपने राजवर्धन सिंह राठौर
हाँ
थे.
जी, हाँ जी.
And there's so many you can
Right.
just spell out. I think that he's your one influence. Has he influenced you?
Absolutely. I think he's the one
Colonel.
who started with a medal in shooting. I think
Yes,
he was
yes.
one of the first people to get a medal internationally. And then he was our sports minister, and he's done so much
No,
work.
he's the cabinet minister in Rajasthan.
Right.
So
He
I
used to
look
be the sports
Yes,
minister as
earlier
well.
in the union cabinet.
Right, right. And he really brought us Khelo India for the youth, and he really brought back the sporting energy in our country, which I'm very inspired by.
Wonderful. And as a sports girl, women, whatever, means up Olympics. India is going to vie for the Olympics, 36.
Right.
So आपको लगता है कि we are all geared up, or we need some more talent and we need some more facilities?
I think we definitely have the talent, and we are in the process of making this a very successful event. And I think it's something we should take one day at a time, and I'm sure that we'll do a wonderful job.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. So we will just wind up. Thank you so much. This is Sanjay Agarwal with Pallavi Singh. This was the press conference for this movie which is coming up, along with the seniors like Rajpal Yadav ji. Thank you.